Hello friends, today's Google Doodle celebrate Masako Katsura, the First Lady of Billiards, who made history as the first woman to compete for an international billiard title on 7 March 1952. Google has changed its homepage logo with animated doodle. Who was Masako Katsura? Masako Katsura is a billiard player from Japan who was active in the United States. Her nickname is Katsy, specialized in the Carom Billiards, which became popular in the 1950s. She born in Tokyo in 1913. Katsura picked up billiards at the age of 12 from her brother-in-law, a game room owner, and by the 15 she was the Japanese women champion in street rail. By the time Katsura moved to the United States in 1937, word of her unprecedented talent had reached to eight-time world champion Welker Cochran. He came out of retirement to challenge her in a series of three-cushion matches, an uneven, tougher version of Carom Billiards, depicted in the doodle artwork that called for the cue ball to hit at least three cushions before striking the two object balls for points. Katsura so impressed Wecker, he organized the World Championship Billiards tournament in 1952 to watch her compete against world's foremost billiards aficionados. Katsura upset some of the sport's best players to finish seventh in the tournament. While the progress she made for women in traditionally male-dominated game was a first. To celebrate her historic achievement, Katsura was inducted into Women's Professional Billiard Association Hall of Fame in 1976 as one of the sport's all-time greatest players. So here's to you, First Lady of Billiards. Thank you for queuing up these sports for generations of women to come. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.